Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by enabling the vibration system so it can respond. Open Settings and tap Sounds and Haptics. Make sure Vibrate on Ring or Vibrate on Silent is switched on. Once done, check Focus or Do Not Disturb. Make sure they either allow calls and notifications or are off, otherwise your phone won't vibrate. This step activates the hardware and system pathway that triggers haptics. Without it, later steps cannot produce vibration, so verify now before moving on. You now choose and tailor the specific vibration pattern for alerts. Go to a sound like ringtone or text tone, tap Vibration, and pick a preset or record a new vibration to match your preference. This determines timing and feel. Once selected, return to Sound and Haptics and adjust the slider. This balances audible alerts with haptics, so vibrations remain noticeable. Make sure to test with a sample tone, so you can feel the result and refine intensity if needed. You finish by verifying the change and troubleshooting if vibration fails. Call the device or send a test message to confirm it vibrates. If not, restart your iPhone first, because a reboot clears many temporary glitches. If that fails, reset Settings General Transfer or Reset to preserve data, or install any pending iOS updates, since software can disable haptics. If still dead, inspect for physical damage or contact Apple support. Hardware issues, like a faulty Haptic engine, require service.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.